Saxon Phonics, Lesson 26. We're going over the letter M today. Here's a capital and a lowercase m. I have a question for you. How many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? There are 26. What two kinds of letters make up the alphabet? Vowels and consonants. And do you know the names of the vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. What sound do you hear in the beginning or initial position of these words? Mat, miss, mop. What letter is making that sound? Is the sound we hear in the beginning or initial position of these words. Mat, miss, mop. M is the letter making that sound. Our new key word for M begins with See if you can guess it. This is a furry animal with a long tail. It likes to swing in trees and eats bananas. What do you think it is? Monkey. When you see this card, say monkey. The key word monkey helps us remember the sound because monkey begins with Repeat that after me. Monkey. Go ahead and pause the video and get out your worksheet. Okay, questions 1 through 10. Number 1. Ah. Number 2. G. Number 3. F. Number 4. I. Number 5. B. Number 6 is 2 letters. Z. Number 7. Number 8. R. Number 9. There are 2 letters. K. Number 10. D. Let's go through those. Number 1 is A. 2. G. 3. F. 4. I. 5. B. 6. It should be Z and S. 7. H. 8. R. 9. It should be K and C. And 10. D. Let's practice spelling words. Go to question 11 and spell the word cab. Cab. K-A-B. Number 12. Scab. Scab. Sk-A-B. Number 13. Number 14. Man. M-A-N. Number 15. Scan. Sk-A-N. Number 16, skim, skim, sk-im. When you're finished writing those words, look at questions 17 through 21. Which one of these words says milk? Milk. Match the correct word to the carton of milk. Then you may code 17 through 21. For 22 through 26, find the word that says dog, dog, and draw a line from the word to the picture of the dog. When you're finished, you may code 22 through 26. I have included this coding guide over here to help you. Then flip your paper over to the back. Number 1 says, Tom said to go to class. Number 2 says, who said to go to class? Number 1 said, Tom said to go to class. Now answer the question, who said to go to class? And write your answer here. Number 3. I'm going to read the pictures first. Split. There is a split in the nail. Split. Globe. Globe. Smile. Smile. Statue. Statue. Go ahead and match the blend with the word. When you're finished, practice writing your uppercase and lowercase m's.